Alright folks, we're going to wind up to full noise and get cracking and go see beautiful Sydney.
Thank you very much.
Charge you at airborne. So you can see these big angry grey crowds there, but otherwise pretty nice around Sydney. There's the airport out the left hand side. Oh, they're not using that runway at the moment, it's out of action. There's big crosses on it. Domestic and international terminal out the left hand side, private jets down the right hand side. We took off from the tiny little helicopter corner. We're going to go up and have a look at Sydney City, up close and personal.
Tower Jet 721 holding short, Sierra ready. 721, Sydney Tower, give way to inbound dash 8, taxi on a point Tango 6, runway 3 for right. Give way to the dash, taxi on a point Tango 6, 3 for right, 721.
It's the Pacific Ocean up the left side. I'll just Bravo Charlie Juliet. Pacific Ocean up the right hand side and the Blue Mountain on the horizon up the left hand side.
787, Sydney Tower, wind 230 degrees.
Sydney City in front of us there.
Right, clear to land.
City departures, hello again. Bravo Charlie Juliet established, Harbour Bridge 5 outbound, maintaining 1000.
Bravo Charlie Juliet departures, can I have?
We're 1,000 feet or 300 metres above sea level, maybe 250 metres above the houses. We're coming up to the western side of Sydney City. There's a little area called Darling Harbour. There's a little bridge over there called the Anzac Bridge. But the Harbour Bridge, the one you really want to see, I think, is just behind the sea. You'll see it in a moment. A bit of shade, it's pretty warm up here. So we've got Sydney Cricket Ground and Sydney Football Stadiums, two big stadiums down the right hand side. They can hold about 60,000 people each. There's a horse racing track, Randwick Racecourse out there, some train lines going underneath us towards Central Train Station. Beautiful buildings down here are Sydney University. Oh, buildings on the quadrangle or English college style buildings.
Is it like Oxford?
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. That's the Sydney University though. I think they must have copied the Oxford style building. That's popular when they started. Beautiful buildings there. And Sydney City will come out our right hand side very shortly.
Romeo 405.1, X-ray full shot, wide road bay to north-west.
Oh, yeah, there's a bit of rain.
1,000.
No need for which one. Romeo 405 traffic going to the Bravo Charlie Juliet is Darling Harbour, 1,000 feet, track to Southern Pylon, walk to east the bridge, Hamilton, 405. Windshield clean. We are going 200 kilometers an hour, so the wind just blows the water away.
Traffic at the Harbour Lane, Sarah Witch Bravo Zebra amphibian. Coming up to Rice Bridge. Southwest, mile and a half, shortly on 7500 eastbound.
Romeo 405, footplane India, Victor, shortly to fly to the northwest side of airspace, climbing 1000, traffic ahead, 405.
So we come over Sydney Harbour Bridge, Sydney Opera House, with Circular Quay and a cruise ship at the terminal there. The bridge goes down the left hand side with Luna Park, little amusement park down there, a couple of roller coasters. And the Opera House comes down the right hand side with Botanic Gardens and Government House.
5.5, trade from shots, airborne Rose Bay, 200, climbing 1000, tracking, the in 405.
head over towards Taronga Zoo. It's got harbour side views of Sydney and a nice spot for all the animals at the zoo. A seaplane just taking off out of Rose Bay. There's a second one taking off. You can see it just below the horizon there, red and white. They're going off to lunch in some of the rivers to the north. So we'll turn back here and have a nice look at Sydney. Sometimes you can see some of the big animals down there, giraffes or camels.
Yeah, we did that yesterday.
I'll put it out the right hand side in just a moment. Another seaplane taking off. And they'll turn right once they're airborne. You can see them splash, 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 getting up to speed. And once they're fast enough, they'll get off the water. And there's a city at the right hand side, by the way. Nice view of the city. And I'll put it out the left at the moment. There we go, splash, splash. And they're airborne. Off they go. You can see it leaves the markings in the water behind it as it lifts up. There's a jet doing a scenic over the city as well. They don't often go that way. Must be avoiding that storm cell.
Right, bridge area 0, which rather even descending from the 1,500 eastbound.
There's that seaplane, yellow and white, off it goes.
Traffic to 15 shot north in 1,000 northbound from Auckland. Traffic to 1 north.
There's a view of the city on the left hand side.
Bondi 405, footplane India, Civic airborne out of Rose Bay, 500 calling 1,000, track ahead, forward, your 5.
Romeo 405 traffic, helicopter Bravo Charlie Juliet. It's Bradley's head 1000, so call it to the bridge at 1405. The zoo out the right hand side. Bit of sunshine on the city after that big cloud moves along.
Traffic R44 helicopter X-ray with Zulu, Darling Harbour 1000. Tracking Southern Island, Orbis east of the bridge, stand for the head 405.
Hey Zulu, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet, just east of the bridge at 1000. We'll be tracking to the heads now.
Copy, thanks.
Kayakers on the harbour here, paddling around through the waves. Those tugboats pushing the boats in place. We'll head up to some of the northern beaches now, up towards Manly, you can see in front of us. 405 traffic, helicopter Bravo, Charlie and Juliet is Garden Island, 1,000 feet. Tracking northbound to the north head, coastal for Manly and freshwater. North and 405. Departures, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet, request Manly sector if available.
Bravo, Charlie, Juliet, cleared Manly sector.
Cleared Manly sector, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet. Rose Bay out the right hand side. Nice houses of Mossman down the left hand side.
Harbour traffic 0, which Bravo, Southern Island, 500 feet eastbound Rose Bay.
right hand side is Watson's Bay and the open ocean Sydney is there.
Yeah, Whiskey Bravo is X-ray with Hughes, we're Bradley step on down, so making a right turn. Thanks, Mark.
We'll go see Bondi a bit later. This is Manly Beach first, some of the northern beaches. Go over to Circular Quay, we'll go up to Freshwater, Takeoff, and turn around at DY and come back, and then we'll go see Bondi and loop. Plenty of nice beaches in Sydney, hard to pick the best one.
See departure, Qantas 516, departure 1400 km miles. Qantas 516, departure, Skidday identified. Leaving 2500, cancel speed restrictions. Leaving 2500, cancel speed restrictions, Qantas 516.
There's Freshwater Beach, beautiful clear water down there, people learning to surf. And we'll turn around and put the beaches out the other side very shortly. Nice day today, absolutely perfect. Nice house with the swimming pool. There's Long Reef Headland beside us. View up more of the northern beaches. Someone needs to clean out their swimming pool down there. It's empty at the moment. Oh yeah. And there's the beaches down the right hand side. And the city's in full sunshine. That's nice. This is Coco Beach down the right hand side. I'm looking through the water to look for any fish or sharks or dolphins or something. They're all hiding away. Maybe a seaweed or a stingray. Anyway.
568, Hogan X-ray 26 South, bridge 5 outbound, 800 for 1000. X-ray 2 Victor, departure Skidday outbound. Perfect. Departure Monday 131.060, Qantas 1280. Monday 131 departure Skidday. Qantas 516, cancel seat, clear direct Banda, climb to flight number 280, the seat special hire requirements still apply. Cancel seat, direct to Banda, flight level 280, and the seat hire requirements still apply, Qantas 516.
Manly Beach down the right hand side. There's a nice little beach beach down here called Shelley Beach. It's a good spot to go snorkeling when the weather's right. Maybe not after all this rain, it'll be a bit murky and yeah, but pretty nice generally. Yeah, catch some jellyfish. This is North Head here and South Head. We'll turn over Manly, the wharf there, city in front of us. We'll go a little bit closer in again and then we'll go down. Bondi's down that way, so we'll go there in a little bit.
Departure X-ray Whiskey Zulu, Middlehead 1000, West 195 X-ray 2, Whiskey Zulu, cleared, Harbour 110. Cleared 15000, X-ray Whiskey Zulu, bridging out around the head, full go fine. G'day, Qantas 11 Super, passing 800, climbing to 5000. Qantas 11 Super departures, g'day,
Swimming pool, very nice houses through here. And either side.
Departures, that's 410, 1700.
Say again, sorry?
One of those is yours?
I wish.
Departures, g'day.
Very expensive. I can't afford.
Say, no, just 410.
Nice view of Sydney City up the right hand side. And a Qantas jet going off to Los Angeles, just climbing out over the horizon there. Archers, helicopter Bravo, Charger, West 195 southbound.
Charger, cleared 195 southbound.
Cleared 195 southbound, Bravo, Charlie, Juliet. 405, Victor 1 south, traffic helicopter Bravo, Charlie, Juliet is Middlehead, 1,020 feet, on 71000, tracking City heads, coastal southbound, City, big, good one, south.
Leather 131, cleared direct to OnCax. OnCax, Leather 131.
Through Sydney heads, out to the open ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean in front of us. I think if we go about, that way is America, and around there is New Zealand. Well, we've run out of fuel before we make it. We'll just go past the coastline here, Dover Heights.
Just 410, we'd like to maintain a heading of 020, thanks for weather forward. 7-0 to Kansas City, finding 020.
Goes down a bit.
Heading of 020,
Say again, sorry, all the whitewash the waves?
Very nice cliffs.
Yeah, it's good vertical cliffs, there's sandstone there. As they come around the corner, they should be lit up by the sunshine as well. Nice golden colour. And a view across Sydney Harbour up the right hand side in full sunshine. Absolutely beautiful day. Not too hot, not too windy. Nice clear air after the rain yesterday. So look at these waves. Beautiful. Houses right up to the cliff edge, overhanging the cliff, the waves, little caves underneath at the bottom there. Yeah, swimming pool right up on the edge. Got a lot of trust in these sandstone. And this is Bondi Beach, you can just see the bottom end of Bondi there. We'll get a closer view as we come around the corner. Beach on the right hand side. We'll put it in front of us shortly. Say again, sorry?
Just a bit of rain.
Yeah, you see it rain again, but very short-lived, and we turn into the sunshine and it's over. There's Bondi Beach. People learning to surf up the north end. Icebergs pool down the bottom end and restaurant. We'll do the Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. Nice walk along the waterfront. There's a little pathway here, people walking around the headland. Nice small waves crashing up against the swimming pool there, very rough. We come past Taronga and Bondi beaches. What a graveyard looks like from the air overlooking the ocean. A jet from the airport. Was it Emirates? Yeah. Flag on the back.
And just for that fair weather, we get pressure in direct manner.
Bye.
We'll turn a cleaner to be they get regular direct manner for some more time.
Valley Beach with the concrete sunbaking areas covered by water. Coogee Beach in front of us. And the airport just over those houses there. You can see the runway going east-west. Not in use today.
Quite a few beaches in Sydney.
Say again, sorry?
There's quite a few beaches in Sydney.
There's a couple to look for, isn't there? You can choose Bondi, Coogee, Bronte, Manly, freshwater.
I thought it's only Manly and Bondi.
No, plenty. Yeah. You can go to any of them and they're absolutely stunning. So. There's Wedding Cake Island down the left-hand side. The waves crashing over the top.
24 degrees 7 knots, runway 3 for right middle land. Runway 3 for right middle land, velocity 512. Pushing 2200 departure.
And more nice houses here. This one's got a photo shoot on today. Oh, they're packed up. No, they're still there. You see all the people around that little red outfit there, doing a photo shoot down there. That fancy house. Tower, Bravo, Charlie, to the request inbound for Hotel 8.
Alright, Charlie, check. Fed River 5 inbound.
Fed River 5 inbound, Bravo, Charlie, clear. This is Maroubra Beach. We'll climb up a bit higher and head back to Sydney Airport. You can see all the way down the coastline to Wollongong, Bondi Bay with Sydney Airport. Maroubra Beach underneath us now with lots of seaweed down there. Let's see back up the coastline, out to the city. We can see rain up the coastline or rain out towards the Blue Mountains, just little patches of it. But pretty nice conditions overall.
Going at 8, killing 432. Killing 432, same time. Cleared visual approach Hotel 8 before the ground.
Cleared visual approach Hotel 8. Look at Bravo, Charlie, Juliet. You can see industrial areas versus golf courses versus residential. all very easy to spot from up in the air. Nice rooftop gardens down here. Someone's got a little spa on their roof. Sydney City in front of us there. Oh, there's a big tournament on here. Oh, it's on Australian golf course, yeah.
Vacate uniform 1, runway 348, Midland. Office uniform 1, 348, Midland, killing 432.
Yeah, look at all the people. Where's the golfers? Ah, there they are, just before the bunker. Swing! Oh, off they go.
The Tiger Woods over there.
Maybe, yeah. I'll have to look it up.
Just on Trump.
And there are more of them here. Yeah, let's see.
Remind me your name.
I'm Sam.
Sam. Okay, thanks.
Sydney Tower 34, Sydney Tower.
Bravo Charlie, do it down and clear the 20.
Bravo Charlie. 4478, wind 260 degrees, 7 knots, runway 348, clear land. Land 34 right, 4478.
So that's us, back on solid ground.
Right, thank you, that was really amazing.
My pleasure. So just hang tight for a moment. We're just going to let the engine cool down. And we'll head in boat shortly.